Oh yeah, this stuff, you know, look at this. It looks like fun, doesn't it? But it could be very dangerous. Oh, I told you it could be dangerous. Oh, you gotta be careful. Good thing I didn't go to Denver. I was supposed to meet a subscriber. He was supposed to come to Colorado Springs, but he just told me that there's a blizzard warning, and look at that. There is a blizzard warning, 5 to 8 inches. I'm glad I didn't go there. Right now, I'm in Fountain, Colorado. It's 35, windy, but people reporting snow? What the heck? It's supposed to rain. It's feels like 24. Huh. Wow. Seriously? But it's always supposed to rain though. See? Rain. And I just came from 70 some degree weather, and yeah, don't mind that. You know what I can do, right? You know I can just go and it's gone, so no big deal. Yeah, but I just came from sunny weather. I don't think I've seen rain for the past couple weeks or more. Why did I leave Utah again? Oh, I have to go to work? Oh, darn it, I wish I didn't have to. On the road again! I'm back on the road again! That's right, I just woke up, had my breakfast, had my coffee. Oh yeah. And Vin Jones also had his coffee and breakfast. He's all tucked in. He's good to go. My hair will be fixed any minute now as soon as I get to Planet Fitness. I'm due to arrive there in about... Take a shower, upload videos. I have to wait for a phone call, and then I'm heading east. I'm heading east. What the heck is that white stuff on the ground? Look at that. What is that? Anybody know what that is? We don't have that stuff in Utah and Arizona. Well, maybe they do. Higher elevation. But seriously? I want to go back. I want to go back to where the sun is shining and she doesn't interrupt me. I want to go back. Colorado Springs, Colorado. Oh, Arizona, where are you? I was so warm. Now look at this. That stuff. I want to go back. Look at that. That is just not good. Pretty to look at, but it's not good. Planet Fitness, right there. You see it? You see it? Okay, I'll open the window. Right there. What happened to my sunny southern Utah and Arizona? Look at this. I can't even see anything in front of me. I don't know which way I'm going. It's a complete whiteout. Complete. Just trying to get out of here so I can get into better weather. Let's hope I can do that. It looks pretty bleak. So I decided to park for now at a Walmart that does not allow overnight parking, but I'm going to stay here as long as possible. I don't care, they can't make me leave. And here are the reasons why I have to stay here. It's pretty bad out there. I was so nice and comfortable in Mexican hat. None of this stuff. The sun was beginning to peek through a little bit while I was at Walmart, and the parking lot was all cleared up. So I thought maybe, and I saw traffic going on this road, so I thought everything was cleared, and I was mistaken. There's accidents all over the place. So there's a Walmart up ahead about 3 miles that allows overnight parking. So I'm just going to stay there until they can clear the roads. Apparently Colorado does not believe in salting the roads, so this is really, really bad. You can't really tell, maybe you can hear it, but the road has like a few inches of layer, a few inches of ice. I guess all the snow that fell got compacted, and in some places it's just like going off-road. It's so bumpy. The rolling EarthShip turning on Rolling Thunder Way. All right. I see a Walmart. I know, I see it. I see a Walmart right there. That's going to be my place for the night. I'm not leaving from here. And this Walmart is okay with overnight camping, parking, sleeping, not showering. Oh. You probably can tell that I just woke up, right? But don't worry about that, because I can just go. So, but look at something interesting. Just look. I'm at 12.6. Okay, and yesterday I had the heater going most of the day, and it was snowing, and the sun's not even quite up yet. I'm only getting 12 watts, and my battery is basically almost full. See, the problem I was having back east is that right from the beginning, when I got the heater, my battery was not fully charged, and it was never fully charged since then because of the weather and because of using the heater. So that's cool. And another thing is, the weather has changed. Look. Can you smell that? Can you? Me neither. Not much anyway. You know why? Right out that fan right there. Nice, huh? Look at that. A few minutes of preparation and you have a wonderful meal. And I didn't have to go out. I didn't have to buy anything else. I already bought the onions and the garlic, and I had the eggs and the cheese. That didn't cost a whole bunch. And probably this meal with a coffee, with a cup of naked juice. Yes, naked juice, only in the van. All this meal here probably would cost, I don't know, 15 bucks. I probably made everything for a couple bucks. Cool. I told you. Well, why don't you believe me? I mean, look. All done. All right, time to get going. Brr, it's cold in here. You want to see my van, the way it looks? Look at that. I just kicked that big chunk of ice from the bottom of the door. And look at this over here. Alright, this side was in the sun, so this side is a little better. So right now I just want to find the garbage can, throw away the garbage. I have not used one of these gas stations yet. The one with a little dinosaur. So I'm gonna use it today. Well, they're not gonna get my service because they don't have any gas. I think they need to clean their parking lot. It's pretty awful. All right, all fueled up, taking 70 all the way almost to the East Coast.